So yesterday we bought the Hoolie, which is the fermented Greenland shark. Poisonous if not fermented. So we got this from the supermarket. I haven't tried it yet, but there's a yellow storm warning out there. It's dark. We haven't got anything booked. We don't know what we're going to do. We're totally at a loss. So really, if I have this now, then the day can only get better. So let's have a sniff. It doesn't smell great. That's quite a strong ammonia taste. Smell. Oh, it's spongy. It's rubbery. If I had a decent amount, then I'll know how bad it is. So here we go. Hoolie, first thing in the morning. Don't know what fuss about, which is really shiny. You ain't tasted ammonia.
Can or you can't?
You can. It's slightly feel a bit clean in my sinuses, which is quite nice. It's actually fine.
Food is in the smell. Oh, that's...
You don't like it? Oh, my nose is starting to drip.
No.
I'm going to have some more. Okay, I'm going to root round the bottom where the juice is, in case I just had mild bits. No, it's fine. Absolutely fine. I'm not even doing it to be brave or macho or anything.
You are a little bit.
No, I'm really nice.
You want to prove...
Oh, there's a strong bit.
You want to prove Gordon Ramsay's a wuss.
He's a pussy.
Good for you.
I don't know why they eat it though.
Enjoy that whole pot all to yourself.
Yum yum yum. Quite wild out there. I think we'll go out for a walk. Wind's starting to pick up a little. Get the little gusts. I don't know if you can hear it. I can hear it up high. I'm sitting in the shelter of the house at the minute. See, I'm in the shelter. This is an Icelandic sheep. They're famous for their wool, which when we tried it, it was not as soft as the one I'm used to on our sheep at home. It's quite a coarse feel to it. They're a hardy beast, but they like to look less menacing by wearing little bow ties. That is nice now the snow's gone.
Yeah.
Yeah. So that's purple kale.
Yeah. I don't know if that's wrong too. It's nice though. That's all going through the way.
Very nice, yeah. Nice to see a bit of colour. That's definitely an interpretation of freedom. You got the monobrow, you got the flowers in the face.
With a knife though.
Yeah, that's a modern interpretation of Frida. Can you hear me? It's blowing a hoolie. Wind is picking up and it takes off our feet. Right across the road. We're flying nowhere today. So we're outside the Penis Museum and I want to go in, but Al reckons there's a load of bollocks. She don't want to go in. Probably not a load of bollocks. I think it looks good and it's very popular and everybody goes in. And look, you can even have stained glass windows. I like pops. Well, this is a flea market, so we've come in here to have a look around, see what we can find. Maybe we can get coffee in here or something. Just by the old harbour. So we're now indoors at the flea market. It's an indoor market, okay?
Yep.
Like when we were in Saigon at Bentan Market.
But no half-dead dog.
And
no,
it's
it
not
doesn't
quite
smell.
and it's not as hustle and bustle, and the food won't be as good, or the coffee.
Yeah, we might be some nice stuff.
I got nice. No, I doubt it. We got nice stuff there because it's like dirt cheap.
Oh, no, I meant like little souvenirs.
Little souvenirs. Little souvenirs. That's what we need. Oh, well, straight away, I'm happy. And my favourite, Beavis and Butthead. Look at that, man. Work sucks. I like that. Dried fish. Well, let's have it. Have you got a bit? It's all right now. This is dried cod. I like that. That's good. Very good. This is what we need, Al. A kettle. We leave that where we're staying. Time for coffee. Because it's grotty out there. Well, I reckon if we go over to the lighthouse again, we could be grotty in Grotta. It will be grotty in Grotta. So, Al, to go to the Phallological Museum, the Penis Museum, that's 2,500 kroner each, which comes in, for the two of us, at £29. That's a lot to swallow, isn't it? The horses are all glammed up to go out on the weekend. Look at that, isn't that nice? Very pretty. What a beautiful horse. Yes. This is what we call a wet and wild weekend. Foul out here. Absolute foul. Absolute foul out here. Proper wet and wild weekend in Reykjavic. Full of buses. Behind me, coming into view now. There we go, Houses of Parliament. So it's a really grotty, really horrible, rainy 1 o'clock Sunday afternoon, 2 o'clock, sorry. So we're going to go into a shopping mall just because we can't really settle on anything else to do. Look at that, horrid, horrid. Well, it's better than nothing, isn't it, really? The Lego shop, Alison.
I know.
The Lego shop, we're going in. Look at this. There's Lego Batman, there's Lego Ghostbusters. Ghostbusters has suddenly become a thing again. Look at that. Look at that camera. That's cool. Lego Man United. Lego Man United, we're in Finland. Why would you get that? Lego Friends.
That's cool.
Oh. Actually, the Ghostbusters thing does look pretty cool. Where's the Lego Star Wars? There's Lego Star Wars. People in the way of the Lego Star Wars.
R2-D2 Legos.
Yeah. Oh, what are these ones? Yeah, the attack. Oh, look. A new Millennium Falcon micro fighters. 2,229. See, that I like. That's what I want in my Icelandic cantina. I've been thinking about getting that. 74999. So 75,000 Kronenbergs. 75,000 Corona. Back again, following us around, looking at us with her little monobrow. We're in a posh restaurant, and look at that. Minke whale. I shall have a whale. And you're going to go for the char, yeah? The Arctic char, because we don't get that. I think that's like trout.
Yeah.
That's good.
Yeah, it's got vegetables. I could do with some vegetables.
We do need some vegetables.
No, so
Al's got the Arctic char, which we don't get in England. It's a bit like trout, I think.
Yeah.
And I've got the minke whale. That's cool. That's gonna see me screamed at.
Last time we saw was washed up dead on the beach.
Yeah. Your dog licked it and then peed on it. Well, we're back now. I haven't got to drive anymore, so I'm going to have this beer. This Kayak Beer. This is from Greenland, not Iceland, but looking forward to that. It's a lager. I particularly like that picture. So this is actually going to go home with me. That label is lovely. So there you go. You got the guy in the Greenland kayak with the Greenland paddle and the seal skin suit. Brilliant. Okay, it looks normal colour on here, but it's actually a really light, really pale lager. So it's quite a nice smell to it. Let's have a taste. It's nice fresh tasting lager. Like it. So there you go. That's the end of the night for us. So good night from me with my beer.